Dear parents and my dear children, greetings from ACTS Global School. We hope your and our communities stay safe, healthy, and grow stronger as we learn together. The COVID 19 pandemic has created an immediate and unprecedented challenges in education. Excellence and equity cornerstones in good education system are being challenged every part of the world. Our greatest concern is the differences in access to technology will exacerbate inequity at the same as every major challenge. Today, as we are seeing that everywhere schools are closed, but learning is open for students. ACTS Global School with passion has done a lot of research and experiment on student learning abilities and is coming up with a unique pattern of blended learning for a student day at home. There are many engaging, creative and fun ways to learn at home. We invite you to explore curated collections of activities that have been developed for students and parents to implement with learners anywhere, anytime. As we already mentioned about the renovation of the school, we have redesigned the classrooms very spaciously with lot of innovative labs and features to enhance child learning. This will help us to maintain social distancing among the students and also have hygiene in the school and classrooms, where students utilize a mix of online and on-campus resources is an attractive option for students. Frequently, students can come to school with batch of 8 to 10 children and explore learning from our new STEM lab, especially those who live with reasonable distance of campus but still require the flexibility that comes with online classroom attendance. By taking a combination of both online and on-campus person classes, you can balance the conveniences and accessibility of online attendance with access to school resources. We at ACTS Global School are committed to respond to this unprecedented situation in the most inclusive way. We will be starting virtual school with blended approach. At the same time, students who might have concerns with joining the classes will be providing help by sharing the recorded classes so that the students can learn at their own pace. We have academics class-wise and subject-wise learning and practice lessons. Apart from this, we have collaborated with TechScientist.com. We want to encourage students by making them explore through multiple learning methodologies more in a practical way. Math Club accomplishes math skills and knowledge through games, activities, and mock competitions. English clubs are less formal and more fun than a traditional classroom setting for young learners. Students practice the language skills in more real-life situations and contextual experiences. Thus, English clubs improve learners' desire to practice and learn independently. Hidden Talents Club. It's time to rethink programs for students who have hidden talents and learn how to recognize and nurture individual talents. But finding and nurturing special talents in children and seeing those students and their talents blossom are among the great joys of teaching. Art clubs allow for free expression from students. They can feel free to experiment, express, and create from their imaginations. Their unique ideas and powerful imaginations are nurtured by providing ample space to work through their artistic expressions on their own terms without any objectives and boundaries. STEM Club. Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, through which students can explore many experiments at home as well as on campus. STEM education is the need of the hour to help students make the leap from users of technology to innovators. Learn from World Club. in which students can learn about different countries, people, environment, living, food, and many more. Hands-on Learning Club. Hands-on learning also provides a student with the opportunity to safely make mistakes and learn organically through trial and error. Rather than experimenting when a job is on the line, they can experiment with the new ideas and satisfy curiosity at their own natural pace without worrying about damaging an important project. To put it in other way, practice makes perfect. Based on the learning and exploring, students will be eligible to win prizes from Tech Scientist month-wise. In these unprecedented times, where change and disruption seem to dominate routine, IX Global School is navigating ways to support, nurture, and care for students. The good news is that there are many engaging and fun ways to learn at home. So we invite you to explore these collections of activities which are available for students. Our goal is not to provide one recommendation to solve all problems, but rather solutions for different types of challenges around education during this crisis. Everything has happened so fast and unexpectedly that there is no holistic solution that is easy to implement and works for everyone. However, inspiring individual solutions have been developed by us, and it perhaps even combine these different projects to create a new and impactful education for students around the world. Together, we'll encourage and support students for continuation of learning. I request all the parents not to miss this opportunity where your child can learn and improve in many areas with a single platform, and encourage them for the 21st century skills development in a more positive way. Child can experience learning in a new, exciting, and innovative way. We will be sharing the details of the reopening dates soon. Thank you.